Every helmet begins with carefully selected raw materials designed for protection.
Material quality determines how well a helmet performs under impact.
Raw polymers are prepared for precision molding.
Under heat and pressure, the helmet shell takes shape.
Cooling stabilizes the shell structure.
Each shell is refined before moving forward.
Impact absorption starts with precision-shaped liners. With core components ready, assembly is set to begin. NextLevel factory process.
Before color is applied, the surface must be perfectly prepared.
Automation ensures uniform color and consistent coverage.
Controlled curing locks the finish in place.
With shells finished and liners secured, the helmets advance toward final component assembly. NextLevel factory process. Only flawless finishes move forward.
The liner becomes the helmet's impact-absorbing core.
Precision fit is critical for protection. With the core assembled, helmets move toward final components. NextLevel factory process.
Consistency is key when producing helmets at industrial scale. Each visor must align perfectly for clarity and safety.
Precision hardware ensures smooth visor operation.
Every moving part is tested before approval. Retention systems are prepared with equal care.
The strap secures the helmet where it matters most.
Proper adjustment ensures fit across every unit.
With hardware complete, comfort components come next. NextLevel factory process. Comfort begins with carefully engineered interior materials. The crown pad stabilizes the helmet during motion. Balanced padding ensures comfort and secure fit.
The liner improves airflow and long wear comfort.
Uniform fit across every helmet is carefully verified.
Retention systems are integrated for safety and comfort.
Every detail is inspected before final testing.
With comfort complete, helmets face their most critical tests. NextLevel factory process. Before approval, every helmet must prove its ability to protect. Impact testing simulates real-world collision forces.
Energy absorption is measured in milliseconds.
Protection must remain consistent across the entire shell.
The retention system is tested to hold under extreme stress.
Visibility and protection must work together. Helmets are tested beyond everyday conditions. Only certified protection moves forward. Kony, NextLevel factory process. After testing, every helmet is prepared for its final identity. Branding is applied with the same precision as protection. Clear identification ensures the right fit and compliance. Traceability links every helmet to its production history.
Only flawless finishes pass this final visual check.
Every helmet ships with clear safety guidance. Consistency continues right up to packaging.
With identity complete, helmets move toward their final destination, NextLevel. NextLevel factory process. Packaging begins with precise alignment and controlled flow. Protective inserts safeguard every helmet in transit. Each helmet is positioned for maximum protection.
Essential accessories complete the package. Secure sealing protects product integrity. Each box is labeled for accurate tracking. Individual units combine into shipment-ready cartons. Finished helmets await global distribution. NextLevel factory process. Certified helmets are prepared for their journey beyond the factory. Secure wrapping protects each shipment in transit.
Every destination is logged and verified.
Final checks are completed at the loading docks. Products move from factory floor to global routes. Stability is ensured before departure. Protection manufactured here now travels worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce helmets from start to finish.